Hello everyone, I have a PlayStation 1 here. This is actually my old PlayStation. Open this up, do like a deep cleaning because this package actually allows me to hook the PlayStation 1 up to HDMI, and I want to see how that is. And I got a couple PlayStation 1 games I'm going to test out as well. So let's get started. Okay, now we gotta take out these screws right here. Looks like there's only 6 screws. And this has never been opened. So we're all going to discover how dirty it is together. I don't remember exactly when I got this PlayStation, but I remember having it basically all my life. It's like one of my first consoles, but I don't think it's like the very first one. I think my very first console was a Super Nintendo. And I think the reason I got the Super Nintendo, I think it was like passed down to me. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It's not as dirty as I thought. So I see a screw here, here. Just throw that over there. And be careful when you're opening this console, especially if it's been plugged up. Because there is some high voltage things in here. I'm not too worried about the voltage because this thing has not been plugged up for at least 20 years. Looks like the next thing is all these connectors on the back side. Yeah, there's like some major dust in here. Okay, now let's do some cleaning. I'll also take these off, just not at this time. Alright, time to put these screws back in. Might help if I actually get in the right spot. I kind of want to get under here, but it looks like I need to desolder that. Let's check under here at least. Try and plug all this stuff back in now. Making sure there was no screws I got under this lip. It's not the best cleaning job in the world, but it's something. Actually, let's leave this one unplugged, because there is a screw that does go right there. clean. I think I knew I need a new disc reader, but that's gonna be at a later date. And there we go, we got a game reading.